Good evening, Ghana. Mama from Sammy Gyamfi, NDC National Communication Officer, and acting Managing Director of Precious Minerals Marketing Company, PMMC. Adia NDC are buying, and NDC are buying solution to stop illegal mining in friend Galamsey.
Mama says set a plant pool of environmentally friendly equipment. Then you use that equipment to fight illegal mining. The surest way of fighting Galamsey, when you know the crop, excavators, controlling excavators. Because without the excavator, you can't do.
My ma wakwaba and found Galamsey TVGH so what frame Adwa searching. I was for Mr. Happiness. A gun in your brutally. Now or your campaign de my NDC Amayukuro. Now most of us not yen penny or yen because we think someone paid that John Dramani Mahama or Bebu a membuna wembuni ye sake ya no sansa be debut. But Mr. Happiness ne pata who chooses obey a campaign de amano ene. Now after NDC for buy na Ghana for be brother we say Mr. Happiness. Or your gun name or your mind bapane mum nenye politics no ye. He says something John Dramani Mahama ne first thing will be or ye and your bekasa farm. And there's Sammy Gyamfi or the baby man. She says Sammy Gyamfi a lawyer so on say illegal asset. Sammy Gyamfi no the go dash and answer. On the Kuntia Galamsey, Sammy Gyamfi's or town office, ato excavators a man crop normal day monitoring machine above. Sammy Gyamfi your from power. Just a mumu ya position na nyangana fu muhu yen sentete muhu yen sem buebino oko western region na eastern region maybe what to go in nkwofu kidney issues baby spirit deformities na dia dey wumu de muntumi tonsu vortic no mintino mu ndwingana fo ho NDC fo mu opposition Sammy Gyamfi hwen say tatale ukogina nsu ho koye camp nsu ho ekoye press conference. Say Galamsey ku Ghana for mo buy amokoye mo press conference no Kimpiski. Mo akoye Kimpiski area na se mo aba power na wode power na asha wo saka by this time ka mo declare state of emergency. This is soldier for atie agum na chese yensu ho adu. Chese mo buy kwa nsu na ya west because mo promise mo nkrofo say mo ntuma ye ba mo kwaye Galamsey and o mo so mo wini no mo so party aba no mo atie agum rem ne nsu no mo say yensase no. Or in the name of say Pisika. Sammy Gyamfi wo abofa ketete wo to go down no wo betina office to excavators amobi. Na excavators na wo to tabo mo. Excavators o mo de be kosoro. Ano mba betu wo manu. Ana me dem ya. Hey. Mr. Happiness I can hadwen de a che Sammy Gyamfi enti ensem enkoso.
Good evening, Ghana. Mama from Sammy Gyamfi, NDC National Communication Officer, and acting Managing Director of Precious Minerals Marketing Company, PMMC. Adia NDC are buying, and NDC are buying solution to stop illegal mining in friend Galamsey.
Mama says set a plant pool of environmentally friendly equipment. Then you use that equipment to fight illegal mining. The surest way of fighting Galamsey, when you know the crop, excavators, controlling excavators. Because without the excavator, you can't do some mining and mining.
As someone who says Sammy Gyamfi or a lawyer, that's who are born because on that kind of word, illegal. You get the meaning of illegal. Illegal meaning here, contrary to or forbidden by law. Illegal mining by Ghana's law forbidden. Ethiopia or a criminal. And he said, NDC are buying under John Mahama. Eka said, the way to stop illegal mining is providing excavators with the taxpayers' money, with trackers It's similar to saying, say, Ghana for more complaining, say, armed robbery is on the rise. And you want to mean that? Now, and this year, man, that John Dramani Mahama, but say, since you're on to a tune, armed robbers, no the trackers account. No matter armed robbers, you be going to go chrono, and Timunya will say. Now, armed robbers, no go chrono by we are. Omuno be chase cam. I can't think far. A whole lawyer. You don't understand the word illegal. Which work with school. Yeah? John Dramani Mahama, President of Ghana. The only way to solve illegal mining in Galamsey, it's very simple. I'm giving you this solution for free. First and foremost, Galamsey destroy Ghana forest reserves and water bodies. And this is the backbone of Ghana. The first and foremost, Ghana military. So all these forest reserves designate them, say, they are forbidden areas. So you deploy the military to all these forbidden areas that mining should never happen. And then you buy drones with thermal cameras. And then every forest or water body that has been designated as forbidden area or restricted area, you set up a drone command center. So the drones will be patrolling those areas because they have thermal image camera. Even at night, when people go into that forest, the drones will capture their images, thermal images. And then the military personnel at that particular area will go and go and capture them. But if they go and illegal miners have guns and they start shooting, the soldiers should be given the command to shoot back. All those who will be captured, if the military is able to get word out of their mouth who their kingpins are, when their kingpins are arrested, every property they own should be seized by the state. And Parliament should enact a law that anybody who is caught mining in a forest reserve or water body will serve a minimum of 10 years jail term. His properties will be seized by the state. So the proceeds will be used to buy seedlings of trees near Akobia or forest reserves. No, saying now they be out chemicals, SCC water bodies now. Saying no. Now the akano communities now. Omunya omunsio any omu be the forest and the river no. Ye be two borehole amom ye be support one. That is the only way to solve Galamsey. Because when you start jailing people, it will deter those who want to go into Galamsey from going. But Sauka says excavators there, then it's like something is illegal, but you want to make it legal. How can a whole lawyer say this? I want to say that I'm catching. Common sense is not common to common people. Formal education is not common sense. Why? So formal education is common sense. Got your mama, Nkonya president, Yankabawumia, and a president. Cheers to common sense. Maybe part of that too. But my be you might say, lawyer, Sammy Gyamfi.